If you like scotcheroos, then you'll love these easy old-fashioned no-bake cornflake cookies. The cereal is held together with the delicious and sticky mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and creamy peanut butter. And if you're not a fan of cornflakes, you can use any cereal you like. These are so good they'll be gone in a flash, so I would double the recipe. First, you have to measure out the cereal and peanut butter because you won't have time to do it later because you'll have to work fast once the sugar is boiling. I measured 3 cups of cornflakes, but frosted flakes would work too. Measure out a half cup of creamy peanut butter. Now to a saucepan, add a half cup of light corn syrup. Add a half cup of sugar and mix. Then over a medium heat, bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil for a few seconds, add the peanut butter off of the heat. Do not let the sugar boil too long or the cookies will turn hard. Once it's well mixed, add a little bit of vanilla, then add the mixture to the cornflakes and fold to combine. Make sure the mixture is covering all of the cornflakes. Plop big spoonfuls of the mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. If you want to make bars, just pour the mixture into a greased 8-inch pan. Careful, it is hot, so don't touch it. Let the cookies cool and enjoy.